Hi guys, my name is Hernan Pinto. I'm Chief Scientific Officer for MCT, and I'm gonna tell you right now why MCT System is a great success. The main idea behind MCT System is the regulation of the energy. It is very different to be able to emit energy than to be able to transmit it to a cellular structure. And this is what made different MCT System. Basically, there is an emitted energy. The energy has to go through a different medium, which is air and the liquid where the cells are being held, and of course the target itself. So when you have a LED or any light emission system, you can control the time, the exposure time, you can control irradiancy, you can control power, you can control many things that are basically related to the source, but you cannot control what happens when the light or the energy leaves the source. This means scattering, other losses. What happens in the target? How can you guarantee dose homogeneity? Well, MCT System controls all these parameters and makes sure that the energy that leaves the source is the same energy that hits the target. All these calculations are being done inside the machine and are being controlled all the way from the source to the target. For this control to be effective, MCT System had to manufacture not only the source but also a receptacle for the cells and for the autologous material. With the machine, we control the time of exposure, we control the power, we control the wavelength, but we also control focal distance, and we control the scattering of light until it hits the target. The second part of the system, which is extremely important, is the MCT kit, which allocates the autologous material. We have manufactured it taking into consideration geometrical and optical properties, as well as chemical composition, as well as the volume of the cavity, so that it is still and dose homogeneity is granted. This is why MCT has succeeded where everybody else has failed.